Hello friends, welcome again in code2help.com C programming series. So in previous video, we already make our first program which will show simply a message on output console, and we already learned how to compile and run our simple C codes. So in this video, we will learn how we can get input from user. Okay, means our this one is gonna our interactive program. In this we will take input from user. Okay, now for that we need to just create a new program. Okay, and giving it name interactive one. Okay, now first of all we need to save it on our tutorials folder, and we can give it name input.c, because we are going to take input from user. So first of all we are using library functions in this, so we need to include standard io.h. okay, because we gonna use printf method again, and also in this video I also introduce you scanf method for getting user input. Okay, now first of all we need to make our main method is int args char *argv. Okay, these are the parameters, and main is our method which will first execute when program runs, and integer its return type, so we can return an integer value. Okay, now first of all we give a message to user. So for that we are just using /n/t for making a line gap, and for putting a space before it, that enter your age, and then again a line gap. Okay, now now the user will enter his age, so we need to store his age, and so we are using integer data type int age. So what is this int is, and is denoted, is a keyword in C for by which we can create an integer type variables who can store integer values. Okay, so now age is an integer type variable which can store integer value. These values can be numeric values. These are of course numeric values, but they cannot store point values, means numbers, means 6.2, 3.5, any digit after point should be ignored by this, cause they are integers. Okay, now we just get the value age from user by scanf method. The syntax is very similar to printf. You just need to write scan f brackets, and then we just need to write access specifier. For integer, the access specifier is %d and comma, and we just assign the value to by using at this sign and the variable name. Okay, now this scanf method will put whatever the user types in age variable. Okay, now we just need to show it to user. We just do /n, so you are %d years old. Okay, now now we need to put the value of age in place of %d, so we just write age as a first argument. Okay, now what this will do, in place of %d it will put the value, whatever value is stored in the age, and the value in the age is the input from our user. Okay, so let's now test it. Just save it, open your terminal and go to desktop, tutorials, and now use dir, and this is our input.c. Now clear the screen, gcc space -o input.c. now hit enter to compile it. Okay, sorry, we got an error on line number 16. Sorry. Okay, now where we got an error, first check our program. We just included stdio.h. now we write our main method, we declare an integer of type age, and we just write. Now we just misspell the printf spelling, it is printf, printf, and again printf, printf. Now save it. Now this will be alright. Now again compile. Okay, so we got our .exe file, input.exe. now clear the screen and run it. Input. Okay, now our program asks enter your age. I'm writing 21. So now our program says to us, so you are 21 years old. Okay, so this is sort of interaction with user. Okay, hope you like it, and you can also try with your own program and with your own concepts. Try to make some programs and run them so that you will get confidence on C. And in this video we also do some debugging work, because we got some error, a syntax error, and we go to our program and find where we have an error, and we get the error and we resolve that, and then we run it. So when you were making codes, many times you got errors, then never lose your hope. Keep try to concentrate on program, and always debug your code, and definitely you will get the solution. And that's all for now. In our next video we will learn about float and char data types. In this video, at the summary we learn how to take input from user, and we learn an integer data type. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye.